Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to General Entertainment. Today I have with me the DJI Mavic Mini. I'm going to be unboxing the Mavic Mini today. I'm going to use my Leatherman. This is my Leatherman Surge. It's a durable multi-tool with a very high quality knife on board. As I'm getting off this plastic, I want to let you guys know you can follow me on Instagram at General Entertainment. There I'll be unveiling tech and product reviews weekly. I got the Fly More combo, which comes with a few extra things than the basic Mavic Mini. It comes with rotor guards, 3 batteries, a 2-way charger, and a case to hold all your accessories including the drone except the rotor guards. So there's 2 reasons why you'd want to use rotor guards. Reason number 1 is you're a beginner pilot and you're not fully familiar with the controls. It's very forgiving if you accidentally bump into objects as opposed to waiting weeks for parts in the mill after having small accidents and breaking rotors. The reason number 2 is you're an intermediate to seasoned pilot. I fall into the latter because I want to use the Mavic Mini to perform intricate shots in tight spaces. Having the rotor guards is a fail-safe, prevents you from having expensive repairs due to pilot error. The Mavic Mini comes with a 2400 milliamp lithium-ion battery. It's advertised to give us about 30 minutes flight time. So let's get the craft from inside of this nicely made case. So here we are, the Mavic Mini. I gotta say, this thing is super light, weighing in at just 249 grams, conveniently under the 250 gram marker. FYI, any drone in the United States 250 grams and higher has to be registered with the FAA. I'm not sure about other countries, so do your due diligence on that one and fly safe. Interesting enough, the controller feels heavier than the actual craft, but I like it that way. It feels high quality and solid. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these yellow tabs off of the actual craft and get this thing unfolded. While I'm getting that undone, don't forget to follow me on YouTube and Instagram at Black Blade Air. There you can find all my drone footage and content creation. So here's what the craft looks like with the legs fully expanded. I gotta say, the way this thing folds up is pretty neat. It takes up about 1/3 of the space as it would with the legs fully expanded. As we move on to the controller, the theme of foldable and compact is seen here too. In order to fly the DJI Mavic Mini, you'll need to download the app DJI Fly to an iOS or Android-based smartphone. Using this cradle, you'll then attach your phone to the controller, syncing them with the cables provided, which are USB-C, Lightning Bolt, or Mini USB. The sticks for the controllers are screw-on, as are most of the DJI systems are. The Fly More combo comes with extra blades, which you're gonna need if you're a beginner pilot. So now that we're all set up, I wanna show you guys one of my first few flights with the Mavic Mini. Thank you for watching my unboxing and first flight with the DJI Mavic Mini. Looking forward to bringing you more tech reviews and awesome drone content. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.